So guys, to reset the service light, these are what we're going to use to go through it. So let's see the oil change. So you can see the oil life is by 5%, so we're going to reset that. So we're going to scroll to vehicle settings or something like that. So vehicle settings, we're going to press down on the stick. Vehicle settings. Alright, press down, because this you can actually press down to select. Then we're going to scroll on to maintenance info. So we're going to press this down, and then we're going to have that menu right there. And then what we're going to do is scroll up to reset, and you can see it say 5% underneath, and it's reset now. So what we can do is over here press back, or we got maybe so you got to scroll to exit, press enter on that, scroll down, and you can see oil life is now 100%. So yep, that's good. So what we're gonna do is turn the car off and let the car sit for like 2 minutes, and then we check the oil to make sure it's at the correct level. If it need oil, you add it. If you don't need it, you just leave it alone. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and also check underneath the car, make sure there's nothing leaking. Peace out. See you next time.